So as you can see, I just modified a little bit my setup. So I just fixed the same wood plate here in front of me as what we are using here as a frame over there. The crucial point is that I have origin X and Y, origin X and Y, exactly one by one, the same manner, the same distances, the same position, and this is the same sequence, origin X and Y. You can see that this wooden plate is 90 degrees somehow rotated compared to the other one. It's not a problem. We have everything running, and I will start the RoboPath track app, and I will show you that you can make the recording right now, right here, so you can move anywhere. You can go out to a completely different room or a different site, and then you can transfer the program remotely to the robot. And as long as you are doing the programming, the robot still can do some productive work for you. This is the most important, I think. So we are just starting with the initial calibration, which will not be very accurate, I guess, because I didn't really took care about the base stations. I just rotated one base station. You can see 1.6 millimeters. This is fair enough. So, and just for your reference, I would like to show you, you do not even have to do the recording here within this area. You can do this next to this area. So you don't have to limit yourself to the area between the points. The points are just necessary for the robot, that we know where is this coordinate system, where is this space. For your reference, I just switch on the visualization. So, and I will do the work here now. So this will be my start point. Okay, and this will be my finish point. Bam. Okay, that's all. You can see that my hand was recorded over there. I just finished the recording. Great. And first, as usual, we just test out here on the screen, can we reach all of the points? This seems to be the case, even if the movements are not very smooth. For sure, this is a very complicated outline. Nevertheless, I would show you, this is the point 1, and this is the point 2. Okay, I would like to test it carefully about if what happens with the robot. I don't want to scratch the desk, so I will just connect the robot again. Just hit disconnect, and I don't know why this this error is coming up. Okay. Okay. Now it is cleared. Okay, connect. Correct. So once again, we want to touch point 2, isn't it? Yeah. Here with the frame point 2, okay, same, and then move joint. For a safety reason, I'm just getting my hand on the emergency stop because I don't want to hit the desk as mentioned. Okay, it was hitting the desk, so what I will do right now, I will change, I will do an offset because I don't want to make anything wrong. Another way around, I will show you how you can avoid this. So just wait a second. The more intelligent way would have been using a kind of offset from the very beginning, not to damage anything. I would have used the function with the offset. Just show you. And do the recording from the very beginning so that we have an offset. So offset to the frame in the Z direction. We can just check out, okay, the Z on the frame is showing to the button. So to coming higher with the points, we have to apply a negative Z value. Let me see, -20. Then this should be around 2 centimeters above the desk. Surface of the desk. However, I have already the points here. So what I will do right now, I will just make an offset. I just check out again. Okay, so the tool coordinate system, the Z is showing to the down. I want to come up, so away from the desk. So this will be a minus offset. I just hitting the shift, selecting all of them, and then relative to shift. And we will just apply -10 millimeters. So we raised all of the points 10 millimeters higher. And we just test this out if it's the case. We can do this run on robots, and then okay, so you can see this is approximately 1 centimeter above the robot, above the space of the robot, of the desk. I just align here that you can see what happens. So I will just come back to the home. And the smooth value, I reduce it to 5. And I just remove this. Okay, so it seems to be fine. Everything. I just rename it 03 and check the post processor. This is the right one, what I need, and I just generate the robot program. Once the program will be generated, which is the case right now, I can just switch to FileZilla. Here's the 3. Upload done. I just switch to local mode, task, open, 03, open. Move to the first point via manual control to check out that we don't crash anything. Excellent. And then we are ready to go. And you can see that the robot is copying exactly the movements of the pen. So my hand will be copied over there. I just let it run through. Even the speed values were recorded, which is not necessarily useful in any or in all of the cases. But in this case, it seems to work. I was struggling here a little bit around. I was just coming out from the finger. This is the finger 3, I think. What you can see. Okay, so the lessons, what we learned. You don't have to do the recording in front of the in the robot operation workspace. You can have your work frame everywhere, like here in front of me. The only crucial point is that your initiating coordinates, origin X and Y, must have exactly the same position compared to each other and exactly the same distance. If it's the case, then you can move this around. You can rotate this. You can rotate in any direction. You would be able even to use in this direction. This would be exactly the same position. If I would change the direction of the pen, for sure this will be followed all the time. So this is not an issue. Yeah, this is how it works, how it operates. As mentioned, this is a very useful feature, because then you can move out with for the recording out of the manufacturing site, out of the dusty or maybe hazardous environment. You can move into an office. You can remove all of the reflective parts, all of the disturbing elements. You have a convenient place to do the programming, and then you can go around. You can do the programming. You can refine it on the screen as I shown you. And then it just takes some minutes to go to the robot, to play it over to the robot, and to test it in the reality. We will show you as well how you can refine with the robot very fast and very easy if you still have some alignment requirements. Okay, thank you. I hope it helped you a lot. If you have any kind of questions, then please reach us out. Bye.